In this video guide, we'll give you instructions to get rid of the browser hijacker called QuickMovieTab. QuickMovieTab is a browser add-on or extension. It's related to the QuickMovieTab.com website. Once it's installed, it replaces your new tab page with a movie-themed web page. In addition, QuickMovieTab says that it uses Bing to replace your search engine, although that doesn't necessarily bear out in reality. The QuickMovieTab add-on is a potentially unwanted program or even a browser hijacker, and it is strongly advised that you get rid of it from your browser. Well, why is it so? Why should you get rid of it? Well, the majority of browser hijackers are provided with some spying features, so they may collect some personal information that you submit on the web. They may track your history and other private data that you submit through your hijacked browser. To get rid of the unwanted browser hijackers, you need to remove the related extensions. If we deal with Google Chrome, go to the menu, click on More Tools, choose Extensions, then disable and delete any suspicious extensions you see here. If we are dealing with Mozilla Firefox, you need to go to the menu, click on Add-ons, then look for any suspicious add-ons you may see here, and click on the related button and delete these suspicious add-ons completely. Now, I also recommend that you perform additional research of your Mac with Combo Cleaner Antivirus for Mac. It's important because your Mac may be infected by some hidden adware, and Combo Cleaner will help you very well in detecting that hidden adware. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install the application, and click on Start Combo Scan in order to begin the complete research and investigation of your Mac. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. As I said, the program initially is in the trial mode. However, the antivirus feature will give you the detailed and full report about the threats on your Mac. You may click on Review Results and you will see the exact number of threats, and not only the list of threats, but their location too. For instance, we have this particular threat, this very first one. You may click on this icon that says Show in Finder. So this will show you its location in Finder. You may right-click on this threat and move it to the trash. You may do the same thing with all other threats, so this will help you to remove them manually, or you may consider purchasing the premium version of the program to get rid of all these threats automatically.